Connick Jr. is getting in the holiday spirit with a heartwarming new movie. When Angels Sing features a star-studded cast, and Ron Pitts has your sneak peek.
Think about it. It's not even Halloween yet, and already the Christmas movies are hitting the theaters. And Harry Connick Jr. is not happy with this holiday onslaught in Angels Sing.
Medium black coffee to go.
Would you like to try our Christmas gingerbread latte? Our holiday eggnog hot chocolate? How about our candy cane?
I just want a cup of black coffee to go.
Harry Connick Jr. is in Yuletide hell with Christmas music playing on every radio station and nativity camels in the street.
It's so over-commercialized.
Come on, Dad. Christmas is awesome.
But Connick is house hunting, and he spots a place that looks too good to be true. The motivated seller is Willie Nelson, and he makes Connick a deal.
It's important to me that the right family wind up in this house. Oh, one condition. Keep up the neighborhood standards.
And those standards are North Pole worthy. Connick isn't sure he's up for all of the Yuletide holiday spirit.
This'll get you started. Christmas lights.
Get us started.
People from all over the world come here just to see our Christmas decorations. Your house is the crown jewel.
So Connick goes Grinch on everyone. But hey, this is a Christmas movie, so there will be lots of holiday cheer by the end of Angels Sing.
Memories are the greatest gift a father can give his son.